Good morning, Nigerians. Nigeria have been hijacked today. This up and down going on in Ghana, I will not blame the Ghanaians. I will blame these people who call themselves politicians, who are nothing but criminals, that they just use Nigeria like a human being that is being raped. They go turn by turn, stealing for their families, sending their children to study abroad. Why? Because they know that Nigeria has been messed up. They cannot live in a messed up country. They go to healthcare abroad. Their family studies and enjoy abroad with the stolen money that they are stealing everywhere in Nigeria. The 80% of the mineral resources we own in Nigeria belongs to them, these criminals. Now they are working with our so-called kings that we're supposed to depend or pay respect to. If you go to maybe like a great place called Benin, you will see that the Oba of Benin have been compromised. He's working with these criminals and they have given him oil well. You go to the north, people like Sultan of Sokoto and the rest of the leaders there, all of them have been compromised. Their job now is to convince the poor that it's okay to be the poor. If you go to Benin, you will see secret cult members are unaliving themselves, forgetting that their main problem is the Oba of Benin and the politicians. Everything going on in Nigeria today is turning upside down, and people are forgetting that very soon the youths will find nothing else to eat but these politicians. Very soon we'll go to an extent of cannibalism. Very soon we are telling the Nigerian politicians to change their ways. Then if you come in the east, in the eastern part of Nigeria, the Easterners don't agree. They don't bow to anybody. They believe that everybody is equal because they carry their brothers along. But some politicians have been selected to rule over them, to destroy them, to unalive them if possible. Most of the politicians in the East today, they can actually unalive the whole Easterners just to make a point that they need to rule. That's why we are happy to have somebody like Alex Otti who is making the changes, the necessary changes. When you go to the other west, the Yorubas, you will see that the Yorubas are so confused that they will bow to even people who are stealing from them, people who will rob them poor, they will still bow in the name of respecting elders. In Igbo land, we don't respect elders that are criminals. We fight with them. It is high time that Nigerians must understand that you shouldn't protect your own criminal. Just like my Benin brother are protecting the Oba of Benin. Just like the Northerners have turned everybody to become Amajiris, begging, while they own everything that these people are stealing. It is high time that we need to be saying the truth. It is high time because only the truth can save us. Today is Ghana. Tomorrow it will be Cameroon. Next tomorrow it will be Congo. Next tomorrow is going to be Botswana. Nigerians are chased everywhere in the world where we are very, very rich. My message this morning is to tell Nigerians that your future is in your hands. If you want to take back your future, you go out there and protest and take back your future. If you don't want to take back your future from these criminals called politicians, then we will sit down, fold our hands, and watch what unfolds in this movie that they're acting. Because you cannot tell me that your children, all of your children are living abroad. You go to hospital abroad, most of them even buy abroad, and they bring their corpse in Nigeria to bury them, which means they have automatically turned Nigeria to a burying ground. These are the things we are telling them, no. Fix your country so that these youths should not be fleeing the country. The African youth today are fleeing Africa. They come to Europe to enslave themselves while we have all the mineral resources that we need to be the best. Europeans have always been behind everything going on in Africa and the world. Europeans are people who were very, very hungry. Very, very aggressive and violent people. They have been fighting war within themselves for decades, for very, very long time, unaliving themselves like the British used to fight with the Irish and unalive them like rats. They have been doing all these things before they discovered that the world is very big to explore, before they came and conquered Africa. They said, instead of us fighting within ourselves, let's go and colonize people. They go around the world, they colonize people. And they are still the ones who put us, these criminals. They know who are the best criminals and they selected them for us to destroy us. The only thing I will tell these criminals is this. One day, monkey go market, will come back. One day, that pocket that you used to fetch water every day in your well will go down and it will come up. It's better you start now to make some changes. Make some changes. If you don't make any changes, Africans are coming for you. Africans will not sit like cowards forever. They will come for you. So if you are a politician and you watch this video, you better change your way. If you are a king and you watch this video, you better change your way. If you are somebody who is an influencer of everybody, start now fighting for your right. If not, everybody is going to be the victim in this bullshit. Thank you.